Yo, what's going on, guys? This is the new video, and on this video we're gonna be looking into US30. Alright, so as you can see, we are still on our previous week's analysis. Alright, so meaning this is an update on that. Alright, so as you can see, the market did not really move for this past week. It did not move at all. So like, yeah, see, it only moved sideways. Alright, and as of right now, it's kind of installing fear into people, man. It's kind of installing fear. People now are like, they wonder if is it still gonna break to the upside or what. All right, and that's when you have to buy, because when people got fear, you buy, and then when they get greedy, you sell. All right, so that's what's gonna be happening. All right, I'm still positive that the market's gonna be going to the upside, because it does not make sense for it to decline. All right, yeah, it may look like it might decline, it might also even decline, but overall we know for sure that the market, we are looking for it to go to the upside. All right, so let's just clear all the charts and we analyze it so that we can be sure for sure. All right, so obviously going to be going to daily or maybe even a weekly. All right, so this is it. All right, so we're going to be putting our levels. All right, so yeah, okay, these are our levels here. And then if you don't know how like we apply our levels, guys, I would like you to go check out our video on how of our new of the strategy that we've been using for long, and it's really working for us. It's very simple like to apply. It may sound maybe a bit complicated when you're in for the first time, but as you keep on going with it, it's gonna make sense. All right, so I'm gonna link a video somewhere there so that you're gonna check out, and it's a new video. All right, go check out of our strategy that we use. All right, so this is our level here. We have it. So now we have to find our level which boxes up the price. Right, so maybe here. Yep, so that's the direction we're headed towards. All right, so like does not make sense for the market to decline, like for us, like it really does not make sense. Right, but if you look at it with a certain view, like with a certain perspective, all right, you can, I don't know, man. Obviously a double bottom structure traditionally is like, it has to be almost perfect like this. All right, but there are those, man, because remember, a W structures to give you double bottom structures to give you a W shape, like, right. And if you could look at this, man, it's kind of giving the vibes of a W. All right, it's gonna give you the vibes of a W. So, and you can see this one is of an uptrend, so meaning it's gonna be a very large move. Right, so meaning it will go up until there. All right, you can see it's still a W, even though it's kind of skewed a bit, but it is still a W. All right, so hence we suspect that the US30 is going to be going up, man, because it does not make sense for it to decline, because we've seen this structure before for like a couple of times. We've seen this structure and it always went up. Whenever the structure occurs, we knew for sure the market's going up. All right, because let's see if we can align. Can we? Okay, we can only align up until here, but obviously if we force it here, it still also makes sense. First touch, second touch, third touch. And remember, with the trend line trading strategy, your third touch, it's your entry point. It's where you buy or sell your market. In this case, it's an uptrend. This first touch and this second touch was for our drawings. All right, so meaning our third touch is our entry point. All right, so meaning only makes sense for the market to go up. If it declines, it's going to give us our fourth touch, and we'll still be positive that the market is going where? Upside. All right, unless if it breaks to the downside, which it does not make sense. All right, so meaning we are still positive that US30 is going to the upside. All right, so so yeah, let's go to a daily time frame and see. All right, because yeah, really, guys, still makes sense for USD to decline. All right, like still showing that it will be going up, man. All right, still showing me, like, yeah, still showing that we're going to the upside. Has to only break this resistance here. All right, only has to break this resistance here, because it's a very powerful zone here. All right, see, like there's been a lot of activity. Only has to break it, and then we know for sure that it's not coming back. All right, so guys, I don't think there's much to do with US30, man. We're gonna be observing it for this coming week, but we are positive that US30 is going to the upside. All right, there's no questions about it. US30 is going to the upside. And if you learn anything from this video, guys, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. We'd like to have you. All right, and peace.